What's going on? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ainsley Dawkins here. Woo! What a crazy day. I stepped out real quick from my job to go get some snacks real quick, and I'm looking like, every day I work, I spend some money on some lunch or some breakfast or some snacks or something like that. And this money adds up, it's constantly coming out of my pocket, and then eventually that's coming out of my paycheck. So I just want to shoot this quick video because I'm coming to think that a lot of times I'm so grateful for the internet. That's right, I'm grateful for the internet because right now I'm able to use the internet to do a variety of different things, doing small tasks from home, sending out emails, and being able to establish these strategies and learning these skills. I'm able to generate some money online, and this money comes in handy because, next thing you know, it's kind of difficult to live check to check. It's even more difficult to live check to check when you get paid every 2 weeks. So for that, now I find different ways to supplement my income during that time that I'm trying to wait for the next check. I got to find out different ways that I can supplement my income. So gratefully, we got the internet, we got Wi-Fi, we have our smartphones, we have tablets, laptop. So grateful that I can be able to use these things and be able to leverage these tools and strategies and my skills and be able to put some extra money in my account. Because I checked my account and I was kind of shocked because I was like, hold on, I'm not supposed to have that much money in that account. But looking back now, things that I've been doing, one of the things I do things with Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate. So being an Amazon affiliate, you be able to promote products and things like that, and I get a commission off of that. And other than that, I do other affiliate marketing. And these affiliate marketing is just using some simple tools, using a smartphone or a tablet, a device like that, a laptop, desktop, whichever one, just being on the computer, the internet, using the internet to leverage it. And it does come in handy. Bills pop up. Sometimes bills pop up unexpected, and you got the regular monthly bills, and these things come in handy. Like, some people just really don't understand unless you kind of do it. So just, if you want some more information, I'm going to leave a link in here. You can probably get some access. Actually, I'm going to leave a link that you're going to get some access to some free training, understand more about affiliate marketing. If you are involved in affiliate marketing, you probably get some more strategies, some more tactics that you can use to better off leverage your business or leverage your supplement income, or even if you just use it to create regular income. I just wanted to shoot this quick video. It's nice outside. I'm just outside, chilling outside right now. Be off in a few, but just wanted to shoot this quick video because there are other ways out there other than just, going to your job, working your job, and having to wait for the next pay period in order to have some money. It's good to go out, use the internet, leverage these different tools and technology, and generate some extra income, supplement your income, have some extra money for gas, maybe you have extra money for your light bill, maybe your phone bill. It does come in, and you don't have to constantly trying to borrow money or figure out ways to get this money. So once again, it's Ainsley Dawkins. If you are interested, click the link below. Please like, comment, and share if you got some value out of this video, and let other people know about it. There are other ways. So once again, it's Ainsley. It's kind of bright out here because of the light right there, but hope y'all have a good day. Talk to y'all later.